Production preparation using Nexim is classified under more efficient offline changeover in the do stage.
We will introduce various functions for material management in Nexim. Material management using Nexim makes offline changeover more efficient and is in the do stage.
This is the flow for part preparation in production preparation. Parts are collected according to the PDA navigation instructions, verified by barcode verification, and set in the specified positions. Efficient and error-free part preparation can be achieved. Based on the production schedule, the system can output a picking slip that summarizes the required parts by storage area.
When picking, work can be started by reading the 2D code on the picking sheet. Instructions are given in order from the nearest shelf, allowing for efficient work. Seamless integration between paper instructions and digital tools helps prevent disruptions in the workflow of preparatory tasks.
The PDA terminal provides guidance for the shelf name, slot number, and even the remaining quantity of parts. For kitting, the advanced feeder stand guides the user to the target feeder position with LEDs. The work and procedures are displayed in an organized manner on the terminal screen. By simply following the order displayed, the necessary processes can be carried out without missing steps.
FUJI, innovative spirit.